Today we are solve a nice math Olympiad question. Here the problem is AB equals to 10, BC equals to 20 and CA equals to 30. Then find the value A plus B plus C. Now we can write AB equals to 10 first equation, BC equals to 20 is second equation, and CA equals to 30 is third equation. Now multiplied both 1, 2 and 3, we get AB into BC into CA equals to 10 into 20 into 30. So here we get A 2 times, B 2 times and C 2 times. So basically A square into B square into C square equals to 6000. So we can write ABC whole square equals to 6000. So now we can write ABC is equals to root over of 6000. So if we break 6000, we get 3000. Again divided by 2, we get 1500. Again divided by 2, we get 750. Again divided by 2, we get 375. Again we can divide this by 5, we get 75. Again divided by 5, we get 15. Again divided by 5, we get 3. So we can write this equals to, here we get 4225 and 115. So we can write this equals to 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 2 into 5 into 3, 15. That's equals to 16 into 25 into 15. We can write ABC is equals to root 16 into root 25 into root over of 15. So we can write AB, that implies ABC equals to root 16, that means 4, and root 25, that means 5, and root 15, that means this cannot be provide a particular integer, so root 15 is root 15. So A into B into C equals to this. So basically we can write ABC equals to 20 root 15. This will our fourth equation. Now to find A, we can write A equals to ABC by BC. To find B, we may write ABC by AC. To find C, we may write ABC by AB. So here ABC is equals to 20 into root 15 by BC. What is the value of BC? We can clearly see AB equals to 10, BC 20 and CA 30. So BC equals to 20. So A equals to root 15 and B equals to ABC value of ABC is 20 root 15 by value of AC equals to 30. So here we can write 2 root 15 by 3. After cancel out by divided by 10, we get 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 23. We can write this way or that way. 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30. And what is the value of C? That means 20 root 15 is divided by the value of AB. AB means 10. So basically 10 2s are 20. So here 20 20 cancelled out. So 2 root 15. Basically we get the value of A, the value of B, and also the value of C. So we got the value A and B and also C. Now we need to find A plus B plus C. Therefore A equals to root 15 plus B equals to 2 root 15 by 3 plus C equals to 2 root 15. So we get LCM, take LCM as 3. So 3 root 15 plus 2 root 15 plus 6 root 15. We get 3, 6, 9 to 11. 11 root 15 by 3. This will be our answer.